Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My Arabic learners, welcome to another class of Learn Arabic. Now, inshallah, this is what we have for today. These words, I am happy, very well, I am happy today. Now, what's the Arabic of happy? The Arabic of happy is what? It is Sa'id. Is what? Sa'id. That's the Arabic of what? Arabic of happy. Sa'id. That's Sa'id. That's what happy. Sa'id. Now, this Sa'id happy, it indicates that for masculine. That for masculine. Now, for the feminine, it is Sa'idatu. That's what? Sa'idatu. That's for what? That's for feminine. That's Sa'idatu. That's for feminine. And for masculine, it is what? Sa'id. It is what? Sa'id. That's for masculine. Now, how do I say I am happy? How do I say that in Arabic? I am happy. It will be Ana Sa'id. That's going to be Ana Sa'id. That's what? Ana Sa'id. That's I'm out. I'm happy. That's for I'm happy. Ana Sa'id. That I'm happy. And it is for masculine. It is for masculine. Now for feminine, it will be Ana Sa'idatu. Ana Sa'idatu. That's for what? That's for feminine. It means I'm happy. Ana Sa'idatu. That's for what? I'm happy. It's for feminine. Ana Sa'idatu. That's I'm happy, which is for what? Feminine. Now, how do I say in Arabic that very well? That very well. That jajid. This is what? Jajid. That's what? Jajid. Very well. It means what? Very well. Very well. Jajid. Now, how do I say in Arabic that I am happy very well? I will say Ana Sa'idu Jajid. I will say Ana Sa'id. Ana Sa'id Jajidan. Ana Sa'id Jajid. That's what? I'm happy very well. Ana Sa'id Jajid. That I'm happy very well. Ana Sa'id Jajid. I'm happy very well. Now, how do I say I am happy today? I am happy today. You say Ana Sa'idu al-Yawm. That's Ana Sa'id. Ana Sa'id al-Yawm. Ana Sa'id al-Yawm. That's what? I'm happy today. Ana Sa'idul Yawm. Ana Sa'id al-yawm. That's what I'm happy today. Ana Sa'id al-yawm. I'm happy today. And it is for what? It is for masculine. Now for feminine, it will be Ana Sa'idatu al-yawm. Ana Sa'idatu al-yawm. Ana Sa'idatu al-yawm. That's what Ana Sa'idatu al-yawm. That I'm happy today. I'm happy. Ana Sa'idatu al-yawm. That I'm happy today. And it is for feminine, not for masculine. It is for feminine. Ana Sa'idatu al-yawm. That it's I'm happy today. Now, how do you say I am very happy today? I am very happy today. Now let's clean this one. I am very happy today. You say Ana Sa'id Jajid al-yawm. Ana Sa'id Jajid al-yawm. That's Ana Sa'id. Ana Sa'id Jajid al-yawm. That's what I'm very happy today. That I'm very happy today. And it is for masculine. Ana Sa'id. Ana Sa'id Jajid al-yawm. That's what I'm very happy. I'm very happy today. Ana Sa'id Jajid al-yawm. I'm very happy today. Now, the word talib. Now we have talib. It means students. It's what students that are students, and that's for masculine. That's for masculine. Now for the feminine, it will be talibatu. That's what talibatu. That's for what? Feminine. It's what students that are students. Talibatu. Now, how do you say I'm a student? You say Ana Talib. Say Ana Talib. That's what I'm a student. That I'm a student, and that's for masculine. That's for what? That's for masculine. Ana Talib. I'm a student. That's for masculine. Now, for feminine, it will be Ana Talibatun. It will be Ana Talibatun. That's I'm a student. That's for what? Feminine. Feminine. That's for feminine. Ana Talibatun. That I'm a student. Ana Talibat. I'm a student. Now we have Jamia. Jamia. Let me clean this. Let me clean this one. جامعة. That's what? University. It means university. That's for what? That's university. Jamia. It's university. Jamia, university. Now, if you want to say the university, how do you see that? You say al-jamia. See, al-jamia. That's what? That's the university. The university. Jamia, Jamia university. Al-Jamia, that's the university. We add alif and lam. That's what? That's it means the. We add it with Jamia, that's Al-Jamia, that's the university. Now, how do you say I'm a student? I'm a student at university. You say Ana Talib Jamia. Say Ana Talibu. Ana Talibu Jamia. Ana Talibu Jamia. I'm a student. That's what? I'm a student of university. Ana Talibu Jamia. I'm a student of university. That is for what? That is for masculine. Now, for the feminine, it will be Ana Talibatun. Ana Talib. Ana Talibatu. Ana Talibatu Jami'a. Ana Talibatu Jami'a. That's for what? That it means I'm a student. That's I'm a student of university. I'm a student of university. Ana Talibatu Jami'a. I'm a student of university. Taliba, that's for what? That is for feminine. Ana Talibatu Jami'a. I'm a student of university. Now, we have Mu'allim. That's what? Teacher. That's a teacher. And Mu'allim, that's indicating what? Masculine. Masculine. Now, for the feminine, to be Mu'allimatu. That's for teacher. That's for what? Feminine. Feminine. Mu'allimatu. That's teacher. For Mu'allimatu, that's for feminine. Now, how do you say in Arabic that I'm a teacher? I'm a teacher. You say Ana Mu'allim. Ana Mu'allim. Ana Mu'allimu. Ana Mu'allimu. That's what? I'm a teacher. That's That's for what? For masculine. Now for the feminine, it will be ana muallimatu. Ana muallimatu. That's what? I'm a teacher. It is for this is indicating feminine. This is what indicating feminine. Ana muallimatu, that ana, that I personally, that I'm referring to myself. Ana muallimatu. Ana muallimatu. I'm a teacher. That's for what? That's for feminine. So we ask Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to put barakah in our learning. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. See you in the next video.